Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I would like to show you how to make video go backward using InShot app. Let's get to it. Here I have opened my InShot app and we're going to create new project by clicking on this video button. Then tap on new option and choose the video that you want to make it go backward, and I'm going to choose this video. Then click on this check mark to add the video to our project. And wait guys, I'm going to change the canvas. Right, and let's watch the video first before we make it go backward. All right, and I'm going to make this video go backward, so I'm going to scroll all the way to the right until I find reverse option. Just tap on reverse option. Then let's see the result, guys. Let's play the video. All right, as you can see that the video is going backward. Alright guys, and that's how we can make a video go backward using InShot app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.